And there is a campaign going on, Must Bowl, a youth-led campaign against gender-based violence by using the social media in Delhi. And there is one campaign, very recent was there, mobilizing men to challenge gender-based violence and sexual violence in institutions. And we found that this was very essential, and this campaign was in university, in bar association, in trade union, in local self-government, and take the activists from their institution and make them accountable so they can raise the issue within their institution. Very less work when we are talking about the sexual reproductive health rights and parenting in India. Parenting in India is very, very new issue, and sometimes people say this is UN and international and Eurocentric development is pushing the fatherhood, but certainly the situation is changing, and we trying to raise the issue of fatherhood and positive caring with the men. And we have started a project, a big project in the collaboration with government and UNFPA in Maharashtra, where men can take a responsibility for caring as well as responsible partnership for their and stop the sexual and gender-based violence in the family. There's an action research is going on in male migration and HIV, and that's what we tried to raise the issue of HIV and preparedness at the departure, and we found that all institutions, education institutions, actually prepare the youth for migrate, because after the degree they are not going to stay there. So how we can make them equipped at the departure point so they can address their issues when they migrated. Action research and campaign for youth sexual reproductive health right policy in one state is going on, where youth can understand their rights and issue and demand with ministry and with government to make a policy, clear policy, and then services can be available for them. So there is some work is going, public policy in India, and we are working very closely with media and gender equality. And media is one very strong stakeholder, influencer in the South Asia. So how media can be sensitized to raise the issue of gender-based violence? We develop a curriculum in Mass Communication and Journalism University, where they started the one course on gender equality and social responsibility there. And then a training of gender, masculinity, sexuality, and reproductive health for community functionaries from the government side, and the health service providers sitting in the government hospital and the directorate of the government, and then school teachers, trade union, police personnel, and administrative person. So gender equality, violence, gender-based discrimination, violence against women, and gender-based violence can be taken at the government level. Action research in collaboration of UNFPA is going in various states. Study on men and gender policy response, we have done a study to understand, and this was conducted in the collaboration of ICRW and coordinated by the Men Engage to understand how government policy responds to gender equality in the perspective of men. Then another study is going on on men who care and non-traditional profession. So what are their issues and how they can be supported. And this year we have a review, civil society review gaps and gain for ICPD plus 15, and we try to understand what are the situation in the perspective of men on the gender equality issue and gender-based discrimination and sexual rights and sexual reproductive rights. And we come with a paper and submitted collaboratively with the group. So in Bangladesh going on, and there is some campaign work is going on with men and boys with the network on the child rights, and they're celebrating the Women's Day, Child Rights Week, and 16 days activism, and every year they identify and felicitate boys, men who break stereotype masculine and show some alternative behavior and more gender equitable behavior, so we can celebrate the non-hegemonic masculinity also. Then capacity building for engaging men and boys and working with men and boys is going on. And then some research is going on, a baseline survey based on James Gender Equitable Measurement Scale and child-led indicator has been carried out, and their socialization process, how is going on. Then action research program on involving boys and gender equality in Bangladesh is going on. a comparative study between Bangladesh and Nepal on boys, masculinity, and pathways to violence is going on. Then work in Pakistan, campaign in gender-based violence with men and boys is going on. Then there is a very good program run by the NGO called Rozan, is working with the training with the police officers and how police officers can take the whole issue of hegemonic masculinity and gender-based violence in their working area. Then capacity building of village health, village leaders who are influencers going on, and short-term intervention and sensitization work is also going on but this work is on the women's issue, and campaign raising awareness with men on SRH just started there. So there is some work in Nepal also going on, and I'm going to only 4 countries present here because actually men engaged work is only in the 4 countries, South Asia country. So there is again campaign, 16 days campaign going on, and then there is some research, excellent research with boys and gender equality run by the Save the Children. Sweden is going to understand their socialization process and masculinity. Then capacity building of activists and government functionaries on working with boys on gender equality and sexual reproductive health rights is going on. And a baseline survey based on James scale also is this is a joint project in Bangladesh and Nepal is going on, and a comparative study between Bangladesh and Nepal on boys and masculinity and pathway to violence is going. So there is the work going on. There is another association just started, and this name Sanam. And Sanam means, Hindi means his husband or a lover, but the name is South Asian Network to Address Masculinity, and this is very new joint activities project with the academician, media, and activists, and designing some curriculum on the masculinity, and at the same time start the fellowship on the working in the various countries. So some models can be collected and issue can be raised. This is, we try to pull the, what was the domain of change, and this is from the Maswa work we got, that there is a changed conception of violence, and people earlier thought if you are physical violence doing, then this is violence. Now they come that, no, if you are saying anybody to shut up, then this is again the violence. If you are not listening, this is the violence also. There is a great relationship change with their partners and their sexual behaviors and contraceptive behaviors, there is change. New management of conflict and anger was the one domain where we found the change. Broader range of emotional expression was their area, and then leadership, mentoring, influencing others. Yes. Then key learnings: men can be vulnerable. Even men with power and privilege can be changed. Strong female influence is helpful. Men do not regret but value this change. Space and support in reflection is helpful. Support in equitable gender just behavior is essential. Public action and position, political position is very, very essential. If the actor is working in the institution from inside, it is more influential and more effective. Certain atmosphere of trust, respect, and safety is important if you want to change, make any change. And it is important to start the gender work at a very early stage. There is some gain we found, and there is a self-esteem, respect, recognition, better relationship with wife, better friendship with relation, and personal satisfaction. But at the same time, there is a risk also. Huge tension, huge demand, huge pressure come out when people are going to change their stereotypes, norms, and behavior. Some challenges: even all companies around the violence against women and gender-based violence, very less work on sexual reproductive health, no work on masculinity, on men's life, campaign looking only VAW. Challenge is paternalism, how paternalism moved to for human rights framework, and that is using force and violence to stop violence, and means one way changing the hegemonic masculinity, and the other way the other types of hegemonic masculinity we are producing, and this is the one big challenge. Become open enough to share personal vulnerabilities, understanding the differences between assertion and aggression and anger and violence, and ensuring sustainability of the movement and limiting the project approach. So there need to more sustainable, more long time some project. some insights moving the debates beyond development and poverty, the need to relate to women groups and the women's movement. This is very, and acknowledging that women's group can see this as a threat, understanding gender power relationship holistically, and then understanding the responsible use of power from power over to power with. So this is here. Thank you very much for listening me, and I am here, and there is some report also which we can share, and report is available on the web. Thank you very much. Thank you.